welcome to another video. I know I've been uploading a bit, but I mean, okay, I'm not gonna say any excuses. You heard the excuses in my last video. You understand. But I've been working for the past week on the game. There's now a main menu. The entire multiplayer and, like, AI system that I was trying to choose between, right now, both of them are deleted. Neither of them exist. Everything, whatever I want to do with it is still on the table. But I am very ready to add storyline to the game. Actually, think of it. So if you hover over the start button, it like gets a little more, like this gray box appears behind it, and then if you click on it, like right now I'm pressed on it, it goes even darker. Then you can load the game. I made you slower, so it's more like you're walking around. It's what you could see in the thumbnail if you paid a lot of attention. There's some particles. And you can see. Oh, that's new. You can toggle your flashlight on and off. Since I did add lighting now, I made it so you can toggle that. So, boom. I modded this table and candle. I don't know if they're going to be placeholders. They might not. Depends on what I feel like. Yeah, very simple. I just have a particle effect coming out of here. Come on. It's shy. Oh, I'm not stuck in the floor. You're stuck in the floor. Okay, I'll talk about this now while I'm vibrating the ground. Crouching is glitched. So right now, crouching is supposed to, like, shrink you, like, in half. But right now, it shrinks you completely. Like, right now, you're, like, a capsule. So you're, like, a cylinder. And then it's just shrinking really small. So what I did was shrink, like, into the floor, shrink. Then when I went to grow again, or like grew into the ground. Oh, there. But yeah, these have collision. Oh, every time you crouch on the desk, you get stuck in it, so don't do that. I was planning on, for the storyline aspect of this, I'm planning on adding like a paper on this table they can like click on and read. So I don't know if you realized, but I also changed the swing animation. I think right now I realized that it was very easy to like clip your, what is this? What is in my hand? Your wrench like into things, and it was really weird how far away it was from you. It was actually like really big, I realized, and just far away from you. So I shrunk it down and moved it a lot closer. So you'll realize that's like, I put it up to things. I'm like, wow, that's huge. Look at it compared to this candle or something. And it was giant. It was like, I'll mess with your perspective. There, it was like that compared to it. It was more like that compared to it. Now, it's like that. Right next to each other. I do realize something with this shader. Like this ground, like covers up the leaves of the tree. Also, the trees do have collision now. I forgot it. That's a huge thing. And the leaves do not. That was a thing I made sure to do. My first custom, like, collision box instead of just the mesh. So next devlog, there will be storyline. There will probably be another structure. And that'll probably be it. So it'll probably come out next week. No. I can't come out next week. I'll be busy on vacation. It'll come out in a couple weeks. It's kind of funny because it's, I don't know, maybe I'll release a video every week now that I think about it. It's kind of ending up like that. Yeah, I'll do a video like every 2 weeks or something. But that is all I have to show. Don't miss out on my side project. That I might upload a video of that next week if I ever have a chance to work on it, something. But feel free to leave ideas. By the way, F is to toggle it. Toggle your flashlight. If you have any ideas for the game, for the storyline or something, please comment it below. And yeah. Also, right now there's no way to go back to the main menu, except for like restarting the game, but that'll become a thing. Like hitting escape and bringing you into another like overlay. So yeah. Also, yes, a huge thing I will mention this. This game now, the main menu works for all aspect ratios. I don't know if you saw in my live stream. Like this button would be everywhere depending on the size of your display. But now it's always in this bottom left corner. So, okay, now that is it. Please don't miss my next vlog. Have a great day.